Good morning, insiders. We're here at Cozumel, Mexico, day 3 of our Disney Dream Cruise. We just got into port. We're just looking out, getting some breakfast here at Cabanas. I again got myself some Mickey waffles, some Eggs Benedict turkey sausage, and a little bit of a, omelet there. But yeah, we're enjoying this cruise so far. Marvel Day at Sea was fabulous yesterday, and now we're here at one of our ports. So hit the like button and subscribe. Let's go enjoy day 3 of the Disney Dream. Okay, so today is excursion day. Obviously, we are at Cozumel, so some places to get your badges will be here at the Enchanted Garden, at the Buena Vista Theater, and at the Walt Disney Theater. But you're going to exit one deck below here, which is deck 1. So that's how you're going to get on and off the ship. And definitely bring your ship card as well as whatever ID you brought with you, just in case. It's always great to remember. Also, some water is a great thing to remember. But yeah, we are going to stay on the ship today, but awesome things to do in Cozumel if you aren't. Just got back to the room from breakfast and we got our bandanas because tonight is Pirates Night. I'm so excited. So there'll be another show on the deck and just some fun activities around the ship. So I'm super excited, but they give you bandanas. Woo! Pirates Night! Made it in here to pub 687 to do the Disney Parks trivia. Let's see how good we are. Who knows?
Welcome to our Disney Parks trivia.
Yeah.
My name is Walter, part of the entertainment crew staff team here on board. And of course, I hail all the way from that honeymoon island known as St. Lucia. Hold the applause there. Thank you so much. Enjoy yourself. Thank you. Now, the winners trivia boys, we're going to be asking you a few questions about Disney Parks or questions surrounding Disney Parks here. If you know the answer, you get it out. Not get it out, oh my goodness. Write it down, that's right. Because we're playing for high stakes. One of our Disney Cruise Line winning medallions. We have the Goofy edition right here.
Get number 2, which castle is located in Tokyo Disneyland?
Anyone been to Tokyo before? Tokyo Disneyland.
Question 3, what is the name of the dinosaur that is also an ice cream stand in Hollywood Studios? Spoiler alert, Gertie. Question 5, what are the ride vehicles in the Haunted Mansion called? We got that one, clearly. Alright, question 12. In the Magic Kingdom, where would you find a Swiss family treehouse? Comment down below.
That's a good one. I think it takes 4 seconds.
Question 20. What is the highest rank you can attain on Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger spin? We knew that one.
Alright, friends, as soon as you
Didn't win, but 16 out of 20, honestly not that bad. We did pretty good. We had fun. But yeah, we had some winners. Super fun. So it is Pirate Night. So we have Pirate Stitch over here meeting and greeting. He's so cute. And then we have Pirate Chip and Dale up here. They're adorable. And I think Hook and Smee are gonna come out very, very soon. All right, and they're switching out for.
You're your brother. Get your brother.
Protected them from Hook and Smee. So cute. And then Hook and Mr. Smee is out now. Oh my gosh, Pirate Night is just heating up. We love it so much. So cute over here at Guest Services. They are ready. They are ready for Pirates. Pirates Night. Jack is over here still finishing up with some families. The really cute Pirates background, so cute. You? Yeah. Just have to record for purposes of showing everybody that I met the famous Captain Jack Sparrow.
It's a day you always remember.
Yes, exactly. I always remember. Captain that one. Yeah. Now you're forever, so it's your boat. It's your boat. Heck yeah. You got enough rum and everything? You good with that? No. I'm sure I could find some for you, so yeah. I'll find you later. I'll find you later. Thank you, Captain. I appreciate it. And last, I see Pirate Daisy being the cutest and the sassiest. Made it up front row again to see Mickey's Pirates of the Caribbean. So excited. Pirate Night is in full swing. Saw all the pirates. Now we're going to see even more. Almost showtime. Just a few minutes. We're so excited.
Since Captain Kick was still a kid. agreement? Agreed.
Well, I say that the captain's general officially remember, you now have these very crew, one of the best Briscoe around the ground.
Are not impossible. Lucky guess. Speed, get to the next one. And make this one especially loved.
Aye, Captain. Oh, I just gave the answer to your last question. Yes, sir, Captain, sir. Here's the next question. When it's a good one, all true pirates enjoy a good celebration. If you are real pirates, let the captain see a true pirate kick.
Sure, do it. Make it mine. That's the way.
Can you be pirate fierce?
Sure, crew, you know what to do.
You scared the wits out of me.
Get off me, you twit! And you! Get up, you cowards! Prepare for your date with the flag! Mouse! Tell me, what do true pirates love the most?
Treasure! Look, it's a codfish. Look, it's a codfish.
Now see here, that's how they're nice. They have no stop. Now listen, Captain. Retreat.
With the codfish out of the way and this here ship back in your control, I say it's time to continue celebrating your brilliant new crew. Three cheers for our new crew!
All right, Pirates dinner, pirate night at the Royal Palace. We've got Beauty and the Beast over here. Just a really fun restaurant here to show you guys some more of the theming when we're done eating, but it's quite busy. We're trying to sit down for dinner, so but I'm excited to eat the Pirates menu tonight. Here is the menu for tonight. Pirates of the Caribbean menu, special menu. The appetizers, a little hard to read, I apologize. The soups and salads. And then the main course. Yeah. To start off, we got the samosa and the crab cake. Both smell delicious. Yeah, they both look delicious and smell delicious. This Pirates Night menu is so good. I'm so excited. And for the entree, I got the lamb shank, and then we also got the grouper filet. Both look delicious. I feel like I'm a real pirate with my lamb shank. It just, you know, scream pirate to me. And for dessert, I got the rum cake, and it's like an X marks the spot, because, you know, pirates love their rum. It looks really, really good, though. I'm super excited. And then we got the banana one as well. Yeah, both look delicious, but this was the most piratey I thought on the menu, so I got it.
Fireworks at sea, give me your loudest yeah!
Woo! Time for the show.
In approximately 5 more minutes, we're gonna have the show.
Avast, all ye bidding tracks, scallywags, and buccaneers. Ye come seeking adventure and salty old pirates, eh? Well, you come to the proper place. Tonight, ye be traveling in mysterious waters. Waters once owned by tales aplenty of pirates and the ones who hunted them. Some say when the night is right and the sea is willing, these scoundrels will once again sail the seas.
Ahoy and welcome! me my pirates? Should ye be worth your salt and faithful to the mast, say aye! Aye! Oh, yes. I heard you had quite the day adventuring. But now, it be time to do what pirates do best. Party in! Oh, yes! Oh, yes, please, crew, sing along with us. The words will be right up here. Let's see you clap your hands. Here we go. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. It's a time we have to look straight up behind the behind the hole. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Give me heart.
This gotta be woman mine!
Vile drink that turns the most respectable men into complete scoundrels. Whether it be rum, water, or a bubbly sugar concoction, we have the perfect jingle to sing as you partake. It be known as the Pirate Ballad Game! Now this song is got a chorus, and this chorus goes a little something like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I-dee-di-dee-di-dee-di-dee-di-dee-di-dee-di. And now crew. Oh, I-dee-di-dee-di-dee-di-dee-di-dee-di.
Oh, boys, the pirates are ready now! Make sure...
I believe there should be a captain in there somewhere.
Captain!
It's you!
Of course it's me. Who are you?
We're your crew! You know, Murray, Anchor Jim, Pitiful Doc, Dirty Dan.
Now I remember. And who are all of that?
Oh, they wish to be your new shipmates, Captain! Yeah, if you find that.
I'll be the judge of that. I'll be needing a closer look.
Captain, there are stairs.
Very good, okay. Let it be known that I meant to do that. All right. Now, is the crew ready for inspection?
Oh, that's the members of the crew!
Yes. Very good. I have no room for lazy pirates upon my ship.
Let's show Captain Jack exactly what we do with a lazy pirate. Now, how are we gonna do that? I need this side of the ship and just this side. When I raise my arms, you'll raise your arms as well. Let's do it now, crew. Let's see some arms up. Now, when we raise our arms, we'll be yelling, way hey! Let's go, crew! Way hey! Very good, crew. Now, this side of the ship and just this side. When I raise my arms, you'll raise your arms up as well. Let's do it now. Raise those arms. But when we raise our arms, we're going to yell, and up she rises. Let's do it now. And up she rises. Very good. Now, we're going to go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Are you ready, crew? Say aye.
Aye!
Let's go. What do you do with the lazy pirate? 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 Here we go. Way, hey. She rises.
And to wrap up Pirate Night, we came back to the room and we have an amazing little octopus guy. And then he has little chocolate coins as eyes. So cute. I'm so excited. This was my favorite little towel guy. So I was excited for Pirate Night to get him in the room. But yeah, so fun. Pirate Night was amazing. The menu at dinner was great. The show and fireworks were fantastic. All in all, like a really fun day. And I love that they give you a bandana to wear. That's awesome. Especially if you forgot things, it just puts you in the pirate spirit. So hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want to book a vacation, a Disney cruise vacation, we'd love to help you out. Our partners, Academy Travel, would love to help you pick your stateroom, your ship, everything that goes along with planning a Disney Cruise Line vacation. But hit the like button and subscribe.